So today we are going to start with the adjectives. Okay, so we have done on that day what are the different forms of adjectives. So now let us switch on towards the board. Okay, so we have revised about different, you can say, degrees of adjectives. So what are different degrees of adjectives? We have revised that positive degree, then we have superlative degree. Okay, then we have, you can say, comparative degree. So these we have revised on that day. Okay, so now let us see. Okay, side by side you can also have your grammar books. Okay, so we have done till page number 14. Now we have to use noun as adjective. So this I have also told you that some nouns are also used as adjectives. Okay, so now for that, please see. Some students are entering till now. Yes, number is page number 15. Okay, page number 15. We have to do adjectives. Now page 15. Now on page 15, just see that some students are still entering, let me admit. Yes. Combine nouns in the first column with the nouns in the second column to show their common use as adjectives. First one, for example, love, book, it is called as love story. So similarly, guard, table, it is called as guard dog. Okay, next, fairy theater, it is called as fairy tale. Computer news, it is computer. We have to match. Okay, it's computer will go with computer table. Tomato, it will go with tomato ketchup, right? Tomato ketchup, as we have to match these. Then world will go with world news. Home theater. Okay, those who want to participate in discussion, raise up your hand so that I can unmute you. Just raise up your hands. Yes, Bhavya, Rishita, Suhana, and Krishna. Okay. So Krishna, I'm unmuting you. Okay, fine. Now it's done.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So once again, let us go. Love story. It is given. Guard. It is dog.
Dog.
Dog. Fairy. It is fairy.
Tail.
Computer. Table.
Table.
Right. Tomato.
Ketchup.
Right. Tomato. Ketchup. World.
News.
News. Right. Home. Theater.
Home theater.
And complaint.
Book.
Right.
Book.
Book is right. So now in the following sentences, identify the noun that are acting as adjective. So which nouns are acting as adjective? For example, the boy threw stones at the street dog.
Ma'am, street.
Street, which is a noun and it is used as an adjective. Okay, so it is used as an adjective, right? So next, afterwards, fruit salad is a good way to start a meal.
Ma'am, fruit.
It is fruit. It is fruit. Next, a bowl of mother's chicken soup made me feel well again.
Ma'am, chicken.
Chicken, right? Next, crop cultivation techniques are improving every year.
Ma'am, crop cultivation.
Crop culture. Some of the school teachers are on strike.
Ma'am, school.
School teachers, right? So now next, beta, students, some of the adjectives, they are, you can say, also used with, means whenever ly is added to them, they act as not as adverb, but also they can act as adjectives. For example, early. Okay, for example, if I say he is an early bird means he wakes up early in the morning. Otherwise, early, if we see alone that it is what? It is, you can say, it is otherwise what? It is otherwise early is an adverb, but when it is used with something with noun, then it has turned out to be an adjective. Okay, just mute yourself. Krishna, it's from your side. Okay, right. Krishna, you have muted, fine. Okay, so next, afterwards, Next afterwards, similarly, daily is also used in the same manner. Yes. Next afterwards, we are also having like daily I was telling you. For example, daily is otherwise it is an adverb. And when it is used with some noun, for example, daily news, then it turns out to be an adjective. Okay, so let us see this. Pay exercise on page number 16, that is F part. Add ly to these words and fill in the blanks. What a dash painting.
Lovely.
What will be the answer?
Lovely painting.
Lovely painting.
Lovely
The
painting.
man had a pale
Wonderful.
and dash appearance.
Sickly.
It is sickly appearance. I think Rita is a dash person.
Friendly.
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 The dash old man would sit in the park and watch the children play.
Lonely.
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 The old man's dash smile encouraged me.
Lovely.
It is the old man's which smile, kindly smile, right?
Kindly.
So next is participle adjective. So what is a participle? Suppose if I say there are mainly three type of participles. Means with the, you can say for example, smile. Okay. So after smile, if I write down, then if I change it into smiling, okay, this is present participle. He smiled. Okay, this is past. For example, stolen chair. Okay, stolen chair, smiling child. So it means that this ing, if I have added to smile, so this smiling, it is what? It is acting as an adjective. Okay, so what are participles? It means that the words which are acting as adjectives when added with noun. Okay, so now similarly smiled. Okay, right? Okay, leave this. See this stolen chair. Okay, stolen chair here. Stolen has turned out to be a participle. Okay, it has turned out to be a participle. For example, broken chair, broken table, stolen chair. So what is this? These are, you can say these are participle adjectives. Okay, for example, tired dancers. So these are what? When ed, en or ing is introduced at the end of the verb. Okay, so then what it is, it changes into participle. Okay, so some are, you can say, participle adjectives too. For example, rolling car. What is this? ing is added to roll. Okay, then how it changes, that is, it means which kind of car, that it is rolling car. Okay, so these are participle adjectives. Okay, so sometimes the verb, they can be changed into participle adjectives. So this I have told you that how they are changed. So now let us see this. You can say page number 17. The dash pistol kept the household away. The which visitor? It is snoring. Snoring. The dash dog next door alerted everybody. Which dog? See from the above box, it is bark is there. From bark, it will change into barking. Okay. Next, the dash father looked here and there for his missing child. It is the worried father. Next, hearing the unfair decision, the dash jury resigned. It is outraged. Some words are difficult for you. This is the reason why you are not able to speak. Next, discipline is the most dash need of our country. What it is? It is from to pressed. Next, the principal is a dash woman. From talk, it will change to talkative. Coming home late, I tried to be quiet, but the dash door woke mother. Which door? It is creak is given. Creak means the sound produced. So it will be creaking. So it will be creaking. Creaking sound. Woke the mother up. Next,
What is the answer of fifth?
creaking. 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 Next, dash I watched the dash birds. Means it means what I was bored. From bored will change into boat. Which birds glide will change into gliding. Right? Next, I have a dash parrot. Which parrot I have? From talk it can change into talking. Next, people believe that the dash Buddha makes an auspicious gift. Which Buddha? You know that it is laughing Buddha. Laugh will change into laughing, which means that with the base verb you have to change ing, ed or en. So this will make it into participle. Next, that was a dash movie. That was a dash movie. Fascinate will change into fascinating. Okay. Next, the Oscar award was a dash tribute to Satyajit Ray's years of devoted work. Here not appropriate is given. Okay. So I will just see it and let you know. Right. Next, that I felt dash after our team's loss in the final. Depressed will change into depressed. Right. Next, the very thought of going for you have muted yourselves. Bhavesh, I have unmuted. Yes. The very thought of going for an adventure camp is very
Interesting.
exciting. Excite will change into exciting. Next, my grandmother used to tell me dash stories. Which stories my grandmother used to tell me?
Interesting.
Interesting. Okay. So I think that you have got participle means when to the verb we add ing, ed or en, that will change into participle. But what is the quality of participle? That when we add after these, you can say ing, en or ed, they act as an adjective. So what they act as they act as adjective. Right. Next, rewrite sentences after inserting appropriate forms of verb. So we have to add. We have to change by adding ing, en or edc. The dash soldier, he
The tired soldier have the
tired. I was unhappy to find him.
The tired soldier.
To find him trouble. Yes. What will be the answer?
I was unhappy to find him troubled.
To find him troubled. Okay. The dash snow made the landscape look beautiful.
Falling.
Statically looked at the dash toboggan.
Sliding.
He rummaged means to find. He rummaged through my drawers to find the dash keys.
Lost.
Now you got participle. These are also participles. In a village, the archaeologists have discovered remnants of a dash
Forgotten.
civilization. Who asked you to get this dash bottle?
Leaking or leaked.
After 2 rounds, the boxer already had a look on his dash face.
Defeated.
Can you bring me some dash sheets?
Ruled.
Very good. Last night, Suraj woke up when he dreamt of a dash loin in his bed.
Roaring.
So I think now that everything is clear for you. Okay. What is participle and how to do the change in the participles. Okay. Next, afterwards, we have to revise the format of, you can say which format of notice writing. Notice writing is there. Yes, notice writing. So what I want to highlight here is that how you write down the notice. Just pay attention towards the board.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो इससे पिछले वाली एक्सरसाइज थी मैम उसमें 5th का क्या था?
Which one?
Discipline is the most dash need of our country.
Page number?
Ma'am, this 18.
Ma'am, pressing.
18 page?
Yes, ma'am, on the top. Discipline is the
Which
most.
one? Which your discipline is the most pressed. P-R-E-S-S-E-D. Pressed need.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is pressed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो आपने कहा है डिसिप्लिन इज द मोस्ट प्रेस नीड ऑफ आवर कंट्री, उसका प्रेसिंग भी हो सकता है.
Yes, pressing भी आप लिख सकते हैं. बस pressed is appropriate. Pressed. Okay, press not pressing. It is press need. Okay, which is most required. So now for notice writing, first of all, make a box. Okay, in the center of the box, write down name of the institution. Okay, then here you will write down city. Then leave line here. Okay, then you will write down the word notice, underline it. You can also underline it. Then corresponding to it, write down date,